Hey, we have a 2017 Cruze with a 1.4 liter, or even a 16 or a 17 Malibu with a 1.5 liter. And the problem is it has an active misfire. Most of the times it's on cylinder 1, but it could be on other cylinders. So right now we're gonna diagnose the misfire, and I would really start with the compression test on those parts. Alright, so I moved out 2 coils and 2 spark plugs just so I can compare cylinders. My misfire is going to be on cylinder number 1. Those are the spark plugs. By the way, those are not your standard spark plugs. They don't use a 5/8 socket. It's a 9/16 spark plug socket. 9/16 spark plug sockets, and you just basically unplug the coil, pull the red tab, plug the coil, pick off the 1 screw, and then pull the coil right out. So here I took out 2, and we're going to do the compression test right now. First cylinder 1. So with the brake pedal. Around 98 psi, which is very bad. That's very low for this engine. So now we're going to take out. Alright, so I got the gauge on the cylinder number 2. We'll crank again. I have to use the screwdriver to hold the brake pedal so I can crank. So, at 230 psi, that's where we should be. 200. Okay, so that tells me that we have a cracked piston or piston ring on cylinder 1, which is a very common problem. 2016, 2017, 1.4 Cruze or 1.5 Malibu and even 1.5 Equinoxes, they will have this issue. Now the next step is I will tear down the engine, I will remove the head, and I will see if there is damage to the cylinder walls. If there is, then we need a new motor. If not, then we can replace pistons and would actually replace the whole set. Replace all the pistons and put everything back together, and that should set it on its way. There's also a software update for it too that's supposed to prevent this from happening. So make sure you have your software updated at a dealership, and that's that. So I'll tear it down and I'll get back with you and show you what I find. We took the pistons out, and this is cylinder number 1. Let's see. Right there. See it? Right there. See that crack? There you go. That's the problem. So look at the cylinder wall. And there is no damage done to it. With that being said, we will replace pistons. I'd replace all 4 of them and reassemble the engine, and we should be good to go. Thank you.